So finally, I'd like to invite Dr. Meng, Deputy Director General, Asia Center for Air Pollution Research, the Network Center for EANET, to deliver a closing remarks. Dr. Meng, please.
Distinguished participants for the workshop, good morning and good afternoon, and even good evening for somebody. First of all, on behalf of our Network Center, I would like to congratulate all the speakers and the participants for this success of this exciting workshop. The workshop aimed to share scientific knowledge on the relationship between atmospheric environment and human health, and also the ecosystem, and also showcase science-based policy development experience in the, Europe and other countries. We very glad to have participants from 18 countries, they told me, and 70 people participate in this workshop, including the government official, scientists from inside and outside EANET. This workshop is also open to public. I don't know how many people joined from outside. And during our two sessions, the first session is on atmospheric environmental and its effects. Professor Ueda from Hokkaido University presented research about the effect of air pollution on human health, and also epidemiological methodology of their research. And Professor Feng Zhaozhong from Nanjing University of Information Science and Technology presented the effect of ozone crop, including the rice, wheat, maize, and vegetable, which is a very interesting topic. It's a new topic for EANET. And Dr. Sase from ACAP presented research about long-term study of EANET on the effect of atmospheric deposition on the forest ecosystem. During the session 2, it's on the science-based policy experience. Dr. Anna Kaplina from ECE and long-range transport, long-range transboundary convention share their 40 years successful story of conventions, so many conventions, and present their experience of assessment of impact of air pollution on human health and ecosystem, and also including their monitoring experience. Dr. Jarsinska from WHO European Center and presented their task force on the long-range transport convention, including their monitoring and modeling tools for the air quality, health, and as well as climate. And our last talk is by the Dr. Clement from IASA. He presented the idea of how to develop effect-based policy and how to use integrated assessment model like GAINS. And he showcased the result from GAINS, which link the air quality, climate, impact, cost benefit, and also climate co-benefit. So during the discussion session, we have a very interesting online survey on the question about the idea about impact, the idea, and also opinion about their action. So the participants gave us a very interesting ideas. As mentioned by Dr. Harayama, the EANET, now we are in a transition period of scope expansion from asset deposition to the wide scope of atmospheric environment. In this sense, this workshop is timely and very helpful for development of EANET. We look forward to the following activities and developments in participant country, and also we look forward to cooperation among all the relevant parties of the world. Finally, I would like to mention that this workshop is one of EANET project activities, and this is supported by the Ministry of Environment of Japan. We like to thank their continued support. In closing, I would like to thank all the speakers for their contribution, for their sharing their thoughts, insights, and inspiration for EANET. And I also would like to thank my colleagues of Network Center and the Secretary of EANET and all the people who organizing this successful workshop. Thank you very much. I believe we'll meet again soon. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Meng. Okay, thank you very much. Now, the EANET workshop on the relationship between atmospheric environment and human health and ecosystem is closed. Thank you very much for your participation.